everybody. Or somebody told me the other day I had to name you. If I was doing a video blog, I had to name the people, the viewers. They suggested Shaniacs. So that was not terrible. Not amazing, but not terrible. So, I'm out for a walk today. It's Christmas Eve, day 23 of the Advent calendar. Or, sorry, day 23, day 24. And, I was out for a walk. Because I was, sitting around laying on the couch this morning, making sure all the presents were accounted for. But then I decided that lazing around was not a terrible idea. But, in order to keep active, I decided I needed to go for my walk. So I did a few push-ups, did an ab circuit, and then headed out on this adventure, which is a trail that runs through parts of this neighborhood. Like there's the street over there that I was on, and then I saw on the map that there was this trail, and I thought, oh, I'll check that out. So I did, and ooh, a little hard to hold a camera when you have gloves on. About what the elf on the shelf really teaches kids, but the arguments were it's cute. By the way, if you don't know what an elf your children in order. But essentially it's this little toy. Negative sort of version of that, where he's there and he's watching you, he's just creeping you out. Learning in that sort of fashion. Doesn't know what to do with itself. Now look at this. This is actually something unique that I've found about, maybe all prairie towns do this. But look at this, look at this. This is like a park. But it's not like a park that sits in one spot, surrounded by everything. This is a park that runs a significant length of the city. Follows like a small creek, I think. You are just adorable. Oh, hello. And it must be cold, too.
I don't know, all that fur.
Have a good walk.
Hey.
I certainly hope that you guys are on the naughty list. Or wait, no, the other thing. The nice list. I know that I feel like I've been on the naughty list this year, but it's not really because of how I treated others, it's because of how I treated myself. I'm very hard on myself this year, trying to break my way out of this funk of not wanting to do video or audio or blog at all, just being creatively but I have to say that this Advent calendar has helped me a lot, more so than I thought it ever would, to be honest. It's been a month of, 24 days of making sure that the Advent calendar is done every day. Not posted every day. Actually, I've let myself off with that a little bit because I can't I can't confirm. I can't confirm nor deny. You might think that, but I could not possibly comment. I let myself off from that because I knew that by the end of the month, by day 24, I would be all over the place, traveling, and not to mention I'd be around people that I don't know if they like video blogs or anything, because I know that on day 22 I recorded some stuff, but it was very quiet because some of the people were kind of freaked out and they were not totally comfortable being on camera, so I just shot some stuff that I did that day, which mainly was traveling, and then right when it was getting dark we got into Regina and Tim and Lauren dropped us off. It was, we were all just exhausted, so, but then we had to go out for a birthday celebration, and that was pretty cool. We went and saw the what do they call themselves? The Ministry of Groove, I think. Jazz group. It was pretty cool. Got a little bit of footage of them. But yeah, adjusting to filming yourself is kind of weird because people don't know what the hell you're doing, for one. And two, you have to be careful because if you film somebody who doesn't want to be on it, you really should respect the fact that they don't want to be on it. So, I mean, if they ham it up for the camera, it's fair game, in my opinion. But if not, you make sure that people know what you're doing. But also, you know, if they don't want to be on it, don't put them on. Because they know that this stuff's going to go online. And, yeah. So, whew. Yeah, here's the creek, by the way. The creek that, I'm trying to find a sign that says what it is, what it's called. I can't find it. Yeah, so it's gorgeous in any case. But other than that, I don't think there's much else to say except for be good, have a really, really excellent Christmas tomorrow on Christmas Day, and don't let people get you down. I've done that way too much. I can tell you right now from experience, it's a waste of time. Just make sure you're clear, straightforward, direct. All the stuff I suck at. But, yeah, great Christmas tomorrow. For those of you that celebrate it. Me, I'm just in it for the presents. But, yeah. I'll probably keep doing this, but after today, I most likely will be probably posting just something else. I'm not sure what. The advent calendar is over, so what do you follow up with that? So if you have any ideas, put them in the comments below or drop me an email. And that way, I can figure out what to do next. I've got some ideas of my own, of course, but I want to hear from you guys. And as usual, and I forget to tell people this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Not the other one. Don't thumbs down. Just thumbs up. That's all I want. And and also let people know that I'm doing this, because the more people that know, the better I hopefully will get at it. Because right now, I'm just at the beginning. And I'm excited. I don't know where it's going to go, but I know it's going to do something cool. So, help me make it cool by letting me know what you think and what other cool things you think I should do. And if you want to join in, you want to be on this podcast, video blog, whatever you want to call it, let me know. Maybe we'll do something. I know that definitely will be having a video game channel or a video game playlist, stuff that I'd like to play. There's other stuff I can offer too, so yeah. I think I'll do it. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.